Data, a collection of undefined knowledge, facts, figures and information. But do you know how these pieces of information come together to paint the bigger picture? We, the Data Science Foundation International, invite you to the 9th International Data Science Summit on 19th and the 20th of May 2022, in Dublin. Know about the different aspects of data science, from core practitioners, contributors, and through leaders to gain different perspectives, not only about the right way to extract knowledge from complex data, but how to prevent the failure modes, understand the capability AI-driven assessment, and much more. With brands of international recognition like Google, Amazon, Ericsson, Sapient, IBM, Hughes, HSBC, and many others. And a history of prominent speakers like Professor Barry O'Sullivan, Dr. Eli Kling, Dr. Ashok Gunesh, Professor Ray Walsh, Wo Chung and the like. It's an event you can't miss.